In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Canva's website maker. If you've ever wanted to start a blog but were uncertain about where to begin, this is an exciting opportunity to learn just how straightforward it can be using Canva. Canva is well known for its user-friendly interface and a wide array of design tools, making it perfect for beginners and experienced designers alike. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's free online blog website maker. You'll find it at canva.com/create-blog-websites. Once you're there, if you haven't already, take a moment to log into your Canva account. It's essential to be signed in so you can save and manage your project without interruptions. Now, on the main page, you'll notice a button labeled Create a Blog Website. Click on that and you'll be taken into the design area. Here, you're at the heart of Canva's powerful yet simple design studio. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, you'll need to choose a template. Canva offers a rich library of professionally designed templates to fit various themes and styles. Don't worry if none of them feel quite right. You can always start from scratch. The flexibility here is one of Canva's strongest features, accommodating both those who have a specific vision in mind and those who need a little inspiration to get started. Once you've selected the template that fits your vision for your blog, apply it by clicking Apply All 6 Sections. This step will automatically structure your blog layout, saving you the hassle of building from the ground up. It's like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, and Canva makes sure they all fit seamlessly. With your sections in place, you're almost to the finish line. The next logical step is sharing your newly designed blog. Look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the Share button. This feature allows you to distribute your work efficiently, whether you want to share it with collaborators for feedback or simply show it off to friends. Finally, the most exciting part, click on Website. This action will prompt you to publish your blog, making it available to the wider world. Canva provides several options for sharing your site, either via a simple URL or embedded directly into an existing web platform, allowing your audience to access your content seamlessly. With that said, your new blog should be up and running, ready to share your passions, insights, and stories. Remember, starting a blog is not just about design, it's about expressing yourself and connecting with others. So dive in, experiment with different designs, and most importantly, have fun with your creation. Thanks for following along, and happy blogging!